When is the right time to get married? Well, the CSO findings show that the average age of tying the knot for a woman is now 36 and 37 for men. It's the highest it's ever been. But why is that?
I don't think marriage holds the same weight as it used to back in the day. I think women in particular have a hell of a lot more freedom when it comes to things like career. I don't think either that, the marriage has to come before the baby anymore. If you feel that you want to start a family earlier on in life, you don't necessarily have to have a piece of paper.
I blame a lot of the dating apps and the burden of choice, and it's FOMO. But dating apps are so transient, and people will dismiss people on the basis of the belt doesn't match the shoes, or I don't like the look of his hair, or his whatever, it doesn't look right.
It's fickle.
It's fickle beyond belief. Since something else will just come around the corner very easily, I'm just going to move on.
I don't think that's necessarily fair though, Fergal. Just because you have more choice doesn't mean you should have to settle just because you want to get married.
That's one of the biggest things that is said to me all the time. I don't want to settle. I don't
why
feel
should anyone?
Having reasonable expectations and grounded expectations is not settling though.
You got to kind of kiss so many frogs before you find the right one. Hanging on and hanging on and hanging on and just saying, okay, well, maybe this year. There's always another person. At the end of the day, it's about getting married to stay married, not getting married just to tick a box.
Point is, so many frogs that you're kissing can be soul destroying, and it ruins the confidence levels of some people so that they actually want to give up dating altogether. And that's why I'm saying get off the stuff like that on Tinder and Bumble before it makes you feel really insecure in yourself.